The architecture you studied in section 7.2 was built in the city of Rome, the ancient capital of the Roman Empire. That's one of the reasons it was so important to learn about naming Christian churches. How not only is the designation the kind of church and the dedication the person it honors, but also important is the location. Where is it? There might be a church named after, dedicated to St. Peter all across the world, numerous St. Peter churches, but the one in Rome is this one represented in the diagram. Well, as we move forward now from 7.2 into 7.3, you'll see that we are moving to two different cities, Ravenna and Thessaloniki. So 7.3 opens with the name of those cities and the question, how do the art and architecture in the provincial capitals of Ravenna and Thessaloniki continue imperial Roman conventions? So let's get clear on these places and what it means that they are provincial capitals. Ravenna is on the northeast coast of Italy, closer to Venice than to Rome, which is in the central west region. Ravenna has an important close access to the Adriatic Sea. Thessaloniki is further east. It's not even on the boot of Italy. It's at the Greek peninsula, close to what we today call Turkey, and most importantly, to the site of what is now the city of Istanbul, but was then called Constantinople, named after Emperor Constantine of the Edict of Milan. The textbook wants you to understand the role of these cities in the role they played in history. And they lay out for you some of that historical narrative, explaining here how in 395, Emperor Theodosius I split the Roman Empire into eastern and western divisions, each ruled by one of his sons. But this section, as it moves, can be pretty confusing, especially when down here they start to go back and talk about an earlier history involving an emperor named Diocletian. So I'm going to try to simplify and clarify for you here.